maybe.
It's hard. Oh, it's a bee.
Is it a bee?
A bee nest or a wasp nest.
Oh, yeah. Is that a bee there? Right there?
Yeah, or a spider.
Yeah. Have a look. Shit. Other way. I don't want to.
Ai chúc mừng qua cho bà trong này nè.
It's a beautiful day here at Lake Sorell. We woke up about 9 a.m. today. We have not had breakfast. We don't usually eat breakfast. The weather is warm, so we just went out and let the kids running around the caravan while I went to collecting all the dry stick for tonight campfire. There's so many dry stick around here, but unfortunately there's not many that have a big stick, only a little one, so I have them piled up right here.
You are like kind of warm.
It's afternoon right now. We just had our lunch. We just finished seeing off the pasta that I cooked. So I will cook something new tonight. Right now we're not sure where we're gonna go. Thinking of going to Outer Lake, or we're gonna go back to Ross. We saw a cherry palm on the way to Ross yesterday, but because it was late, so we didn't stop by. So perhaps today we will stop by there. And on the way out, where our camping site, on the way out, pretty much. We saw a black snake. This is the second time we saw a black snake in Tasmania. The first one we saw, which is when we did the Whitford Sand Dune Drive, and this second snake in not far from where we came. The kids were playing hide and seek this morning, and they running around in the bush. Like, thank goodness that they didn't encounter the snake. Otherwise more drama. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go to somewhere right now. Can't decide because we have no reception at the moment. This place doesn't have reception, so once we a bit further out we get reception, and then we will decide from there. Talking about seeing an echidna, I just mentioned it, and now we saw it on the roadside, so we have to stop to video it. It's just so adorable. I want to hold it, but I'm scared.
Yeah. Okay.
We just pulled over and parked our car. We decided to check out this Waddamana power station. Is a hydroelectric museum. This place looks quite cool with the windmill behind. Hi! Yeah. Mommy need to get a massive car first.
Here in Tassie at the moment.
Yep.
So we want to grow to 200% renewable.
Okay.
So with wind turbines, pumped hydro, hydrogen production, plus wave trials on King Island in Grassy Harbour. So you've got a wave trial in
Tidal
King
wave, yeah.
So yeah, so we want to grow. That's what
Nice.
we're going to. So more wind turbines and such, and yeah, hydro with what we've got already. So
Wow. Okay.
yeah.
100% renewable.
We are, yeah, 100%. And we've got the big connection to the mainland, which we can export any surplus power that we generate.
Yep.
We can export it into the mainland.
That's a good
So,
export.
and we're wanting to do another one, which will together can do about 2,000 megawatts. We can transfer into the energy into the national electricity grid, which was from Port Douglas through to Port Lincoln
Right.
in far north Queensland through to South Australia.
Right.
And that makes money for Tassie basically. So,
Cool.
yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. So guys, please, like I said, don't worry about, it's a 4 o'clock close, we don't rush.
Okay.
Yeah, so don't rush.
Eva.
Yeah.
Cool.
So have a look through downstairs, the
Yep.
history room, interactive TV, documentary, guest book. If you want to make any comments about the place, please feel free.
Cheers for that, Anne. Thank you.
Nó lớn kìa, nó lớn kìa. Nó chờ nó sọ kìa, nó sọ kìa. Ok, đây bà làm khách vô.
Just then, Ian, the admin person who work here, give us some information about this power station, and now we are inside. Mask must be wear all the time, but at the moment there's nobody here except us family. I'm gonna put the mask on. We just pulled over to collect some wood for the campfire tonight. We saw some big log because there's no big log around where we came. Justin is putting up the big log on the rooftop at the moment. Today maybe it's our lucky day, or perhaps it's the area that we've been to. This whole area called Interlaken, and then we're taking the Interlaken road all the way to Waddamana. On the way up there and on the way back, we saw about 6 echidnas. Like this is the first time I have seen that many echidna in my life, and it's all in one day. And then we saw snake in the morning, and then we saw deer on the way as well. They are running too fast, couldn't get it on the camera. making Korean honey soy chicken. This is the first time I make it, so I'm still experiencing it. Not sure how good it will taste. I got the recipe from YouTube. I only watched it once, and right now we are off-grid, so I have no internet, so I just do it from memory. Oh well, let's taste how it turned out. Yum. Oh my god, it's so crunchy.
Bà nghĩ bỏ cái oven được cút ha. Mình không cần phải copy đâu.
Very good. Well, I think I need to add more sugar or honey to the sauce. It's a bit salty instead of sweet, so I'm gonna do that.
Wow, so good.
Today, when we arrived, it was cold but no wind. It's cloudy and foggy. The whole Lake Sorell was surrounded by fog, so we didn't get to see the lake properly. Today is nice and warm, but right now the temperature dropped. It's cold and quite windy, but the sun is still out, so I get to see the sunset at Lake Sorell. It looked quite nice, but the wind is so strong. So now I'm gonna go back inside, take a shower, and then have dinner by the campfire. We collect a lot of wood today, so we need to use it because we only stay here one more night, and then tomorrow we are going back to Oakland town, where we'll be free camping with donation for the next 3 days. Dinner by the campfire. So warm. It's windy right now and it's cold, but we're sitting next to the fire, so we're still warm.
Bây giờ mới được ăn nè, ăn tối nè.
I cannot say what is wrong on my iPad.
Now, why are you recording me?
Lạnh quá.
You need internet, even. It doesn't work without internet.
People, what's in my